Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn to knit this easy beautiful border, different looking border. See, you can knit this pattern as a border or you can knit as a whole pattern. You can also knit as a whole pattern and border as well. See, this is the look of this pattern. Wrong side looks like this. So this is only 2 rows repeat pattern and you will need to cast in multiples of 5 plus 3 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 5 plus 3 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 20 stitches on my needle, which is 5 plus 5 plus 5. 3 times 5 15 and 3 extra stitch 18 and 2 edge stitch 20. So row 1 right side, your edge stitch knit and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 1, purl 1, this is the wrong side, row 1 wrong side, the repeat pattern, the pattern starts from the wrong side. So this is the wrong side, row 1 wrong side, your edge stitch knit or slip after this row and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, purl 1 through the back loop, purl this stitch through the back loop, not through the front loop, through the back loop, purl 1 through the back loop and then purl 1 through the back loop and then knit 1, yarn in front. We're going to twist this 2 stitch. We're going to bring this stitch here from the front side, twist this stitch to the right way and purl this 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, purl 1 through the back loop, knit 1 and then twist 2 to the right way, from there twist 2, purl 2. Repeat that again. Knit 1, purl 1 through the back loop, purl 1 through the back loop, knit 1, and in front twist 2 to the right way and then purl this 2, 1, 2. Again one more repeat. Knit 1, purl 1 through the back loop, knit 1 again, and in front twist 2 to the right way and then purl 2, 1 and 2. So we have done 2 repeats, 3 repeats, and after you finish all repeats, for a last 2 4 stitch, last 3 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch, last 4 stitch, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 1 through the back loop, knit 1 again, yarn in front, purl your edge stitch on the wrong side. Row 2 right side, your edge stitch, slip on the right side and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back and then knit 1 through the back loop. See this stitch, knit 1 through the back loop and purl 1, yarn in back, twist this 2 to the left way. This time you are going to twist this first stitch to the left way. So bring this second stitch here from the back side and then knit these 2, 1 and 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit 1 through the back loop, purl 1 and twist 2 to the left way. Again repeat that again. Purl 1, yarn in back, twist, knit 1 through the back loop, and in front, purl 1 and twist 2 to the left way. Bring this one stitch here from the back side. And knit this 2. 1, 2. One more repeat. We have one more repeat. Purl 1, knit 1 through the back loop, purl 1 again and twist 2 to the left way. Twist 2 to the left way. And your last 4 stitch, purl 1, knit 1 through the back loop, knit 1 through the back loop and purl 1, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat these 2 rows, row 1 and row 2, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after a few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this border, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.